Your Thanksgiving turkey, a Michelin star makeover. You've been tasked with the all-important turkey for the big day, and it's a daunting challenge. After all, a dry, overcooked bird is a Thanksgiving nightmare. But fear not, we're here to reveal the secrets of a Michelin star chef, ensuring your turkey steals the show. The turkey conundrum. Even the most seasoned chefs find roasting a whole turkey challenging. The dilemma? The breasts and thighs cook at different rates, leading to either dry breasts or undercooked thighs. It's a delicate balance that can make or break your feast. But here's where it gets controversial. Chef Nancy Silverton, a culinary legend, suggests a radical approach. The Michelin star method. Silverton's technique involves breaking down the turkey before cooking. She roasts the breast separately, ensuring it remains juicy and perfectly cooked. Simultaneously, she braises the thighs, a method that guarantees tender, flavorful meat. This way, each part receives the attention it deserves, and you avoid the common issue of overcooking. Timing is everything. The U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, provides guidelines for turkey cooking times based on temperature and weight. For instance, a 14 to 18 pound unstuffed turkey may take 3.5 to 4.5 hours at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. However, Silverton's method allows for more precise control, ensuring each piece is cooked to perfection. And this is the part most people miss. By separating the turkey, you can cater to different preferences and cooking styles. Imagine a Thanksgiving where everyone's turkey is cooked just the way they like it. For a comprehensive guide on turkey cooking times, visit the USDA's website, https://www.usda.gov/about-usda/news/blog/how-cook-Thanksgiving-turkey. So, are you ready to elevate your Thanksgiving turkey game? Try this expert-approved method and impress your guests. But beware, they might just appoint you the official turkey chef for years to come. What's your take on this unconventional approach? Do you prefer the traditional whole roasted turkey, or are you tempted to try something new this year? Share your thoughts and let the Thanksgiving cooking adventures begin.